Good morning, everybody. As you've seen in the last video, the Sea-Doo is toast for the season. I have to call insurance and everything else and see what the heck's gonna happen. That's the beast right there with the massive damage underneath, as I showed you in the update video, or will show you in the update video if I didn't post it yet. Then we have the boat that sank this summer, so the engine doesn't work right now. I did dry it out and everything. I think I have a wiring issue, so I'm gonna try to work on that. And the car, obviously, that also blew an engine this year, so I'm having a horrible time with my water activity stuff and my vehicles to bring me to the water. But that doesn't mean the fishing season's over. I was sitting at home doing a bunch of stuff, some editing, and I looked out the window and the river's glass. The day has a high of a 6-kilometer wind, and it's hitting double digits today, so figured call Nick. His boat is back in Vaughan, so we're not going to use it, but we said screw it, let's just go rent an aluminum boat. Already was at Dalrymple earlier this year, had that video up. Didn't really want to duplicate the same lake again, but the other places weren't answering or their boats were rented, so figured Dalrymple video again is still better than no video. So we're gonna head over to Dalrymple. I'm just waiting for Nick to get here. I just loaded up the car, got my last little few things to do, and away we go to Dalrymple. So I will check in when we're renting the boat and getting there, and we'll kick off another adventure, Sea-Doo-less adventure. Alright guys, made it up here to Lake Dalrymple Resort. Nobody here. I think they're closed for the season, but we called the guy to come and set up one of the boats for us. Aluminum boats aren't the most comfortable, but still better than not fishing. Here's all his boats. So Nick went to find them, and then this is Lake Dalrymple again, as earlier in the season. Only 11-kilometer winds from the south, so not too bad on the lake. It should pick up a bit, but with the stuff we're used to at Simcoe, this will be a walk in the park. But yeah, Nick's gonna get the guy, get us set up. Once we're set up, we're gonna head north that way, because right before the island we have a spot we want to try. Then we want to try the north shore by the other islands. Then on the other side where Pig Island is, we want to experiment a bit and see what the day brings us. So I'll check in when we're down there. See you soon. Alright guys, so we made it here to our first location. We're gonna drift along the shoreline towards the island at the end there, casting outwards towards shore, or inwards towards shore, and hopefully we get lucky and catch something. I think I'm gonna switch to head cam today to try it out, so here comes the switch.
Got one. Missed him. Oh, just missed one. Just missed one, I swear. Yeah, just missed the plate.
I don't want to hear about missing it. I'll catch it for you right now. Got one.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah?
Oh, even better. Came right up.
Good?
Yeah, it came right up. It's even better. Relax, buddy. You're going in a sec. I know. Come here. Come here. Little guy, relax. Fine, don't relax. Little dink. Dinkaroony. Alright, let's catch another one. Oh, come on, bite it.
Oh, a big one?
Bass, look. Got, oh,
yeah.
oh, did you see that?
Oh, I put the rod on. Oh, got him. Yep, good shot.
Perfect timing, my line was out of the water.
Nice.
This one.
Huh?
Not a bad one.
Yeah, I know.
That's, compared to the one I caught, that's nice.
Oh, we're gonna go from here. Oh, this video?
Nice catch, buddy.
That one. Oh, yeah.
I got a mep stuck in my foot. Bug. What would Mr. Miyagi do?
Yeah, but it takes forever to get.
All right there, Captain Morgan. Birthday boy is winning so far.
One smaller pike, more than you, whippy-doo. We lost it.
Yeah, I think another hour or two she'll pick up again.
We lost the nicest one, I think, of the day. I think.
So far we drifted that shore over there, and then we went down there and drifted this shore. Had a few hits down at the bottom there, but nothing along the way so far. What can I say? And I tried a lot of things, from tube jigs to my aglia, spinner baits, to my red maps. Played a Black Fury. Ooh. Alright, Pig Island it is.
Yeah, sandwich it is. I'm starving.
Oh, peanut butter jelly time. And then, Pig Island. Alright, made it to Pig Island. Not sure why we call it Pig Island, but we call it Pig Island. Let's start casting. What happened there, Cobra Kai? You're letting Mr. Miyagi down. Alright, that side didn't quite work. Pig Island was no Pig Island today. So now we're back at the starting point and we're going to drift this whole shore again, and hopefully it's evening soon and away we go. Smash time. Alright, time for a fish right now.
Got one. Oh, missed him. Fucking missed him, bro. Oh, I think I got him on. Yeah. Oh, I missed him. I missed him. Did you see that? Did you see that? I fucking had him. I fucking had him.
Birthday boy with another one. Tighten your drag a bit.
Coming. Dink. Fucking dink. It's the smallest one.
Good job, nickname.
I got one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, jumbo perch. Oh. See that? How big that was? That was jumbo. Oh, that was a big
Wow,
perch.
get the net.
I caught big.
Sun's getting a bit low. It's about damn time to catch a fish so I can go home. But I need one more. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Who's there?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, no.
Not too bad.
Oh, it's small, whatever it is.
Fast.
It's a good way to end the day off.
Huh?
Good way to end the day off. Bass. Little fatty. Little fatty. Yeah, catch of the day. Need some ranch dressing. Alright guys, the sun's just about gone. The fish left a long time ago. Had a more active early afternoon when we got here. Then it slowed right down. It's just about time to skedaddle, get this 6 horsepower Lamborghini back to the dock, do the nice long drive home, and start planning the next adventure. Birthday boy is today's winner. Not by much, but he is the winner. So I think this weekend we need to do another birthday fishing so I could have some redemption. And yeah. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next adventure. Peace.